Hello, my name is Naomi Khalil and I'm the Senior Executive Director of the Office of Equity and Culture. We really hope that you use this page on equity and culture to really understand all that we're doing in the district to help support more accepting and responsive learning environments for you. We have some information on this page regarding our code of conduct, our dress policies, but beyond that, we also have information for you to learn and grow. Learn and grow about anti-racism work, about our student diversity voices work, our civil engagement work, and all that you can do as a student to engage in your school communities and in your larger communities to make a difference in the world. When we're equitable, we are not only reflective of who we serve, but we're also responsive to the needs. And students' voices have to be at the center of all we do. So I'm so glad that you're visiting this hub, visiting our site, and know that we're here to serve you. So if there's anything else that you'd like information about or to have included on this site in the future, do not hesitate to reach out to our team. We're happy to be in service to you and for you to make DPSCD the most equitable place possible.